A mother's quiet kindness. Far away from the noise of the world, in a small and gentle home, lived a mother and her little son. The day began with light, and the mother gently held her son's hands, guiding him toward the gift of knowledge. He sat silently as she pointed to his book, her smile filled with warmth. It was a reminder that seeking knowledge is the first step toward goodness. As time passed, the mother moved to her daily chores, washing dishes, cleaning the table, caring for their home. And beside her stood the little boy, helping with his tiny hands. He didn't speak, but his cheerful face said everything. Helping his mother was his favorite kind of happiness. Later, they stood by the window, watching the soft rainfall outside. Raindrops slid down the glass, and the cool breeze touched their faces. In that quiet moment, their hearts whispered gratitude for rain, for peace, for every blessing Allah had given. When morning arrived another day, they walked into a garden full of flowers. Soft sunlight touched the roses, the air smelled sweet, and the mother and son picked blossoms together. Their hands moved gently, as if collecting small moments of joy. And in those moments, their hearts learned gratitude in the most beautiful way. Later, they stood under the shade of a tree in a green, peaceful park. With kindness in their eyes, they offered food to a poor man. The mother held one container, the boy held another, and the man accepted their kindness silently. This act of giving, this simple moment, was a deed that angels write down as mercy in the sight of Allah. Evening turned to night, and moonlight covered the world like silver. Mother and son walked barefoot on the cool, dewy grass. Above them, stars sparkled softly, and below them, the earth felt calm. In the silence of that night, their hearts understood a truth without needing words. Kindness is never small, gratitude is never wasted, and serving one's mother is one of the greatest paths to paradise. In the end, the little boy held his mother's hand tightly, and she looked at him with a loving smile, because she knew that a child who grows up with kindness, gratitude, and love for his mother walks a life filled with Allah's blessings.